Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Midlife Rising, Snowshoe edition. There's one little caveat. The snowshoe, I won't have to leave my apartment to go snowshoeing because Victoria's getting the most snow it's had since 1996, or that's what they're saying it's going to be up to. There's well over a foot of snow right now on the ground, or 20 centimeters, whichever way you're doing the calculations. And there's going to be much more coming, considering this is the Hawaii of Canada. Right now, it's looking like the Buffalo of the United States right now. Well, maybe not that bad, but it's pretty bad right now. And the yearly total here is usually about 2 to 4 inches of snow, or 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. So the equivalent of all that is, yeah, you're getting a lot more than average in one storm. And we've already had 2 other storms too. You'll see of all the snowshoeing of those. So here I go again. Thankfully, I didn't sell my snowshoes because they're coming to heck of a good use. Alrighty, take care. Enjoy the film. I'm going to probably walk around, maybe go to a little hillside or park and snowshoe there as well. Should be a fun, interesting snowshoe event. Okay, looks like the snow's about to wrap up, but not until about, I say about 16 inches or about 30 centimeters of snow fell here in Victoria. I don't know where it is in record books, but it's quite high. It's interesting to watch it. It's a beautiful snow. Just got, off of work, and it's all the snow, and I had to capitalize on it. Absolutely gorgeous out here. Again, as always, I say, take advantage of every situation that comes upon you, even if it's kind of unlikely or odd, because this is obviously an odd situation. The average snowfall total is about 10, 11 centimeters in Victoria a year, and some years they don't get any snow. So they get 30 centimeters in one storm, literally in about a 13-hour span is pretty impressive. It's wrapping up now. I think this is the last of snow. It'll probably condense down to probably about 9-10 inches by the end of the day. But right now it's officially at 16. But this is a nice fluffy snow. It is -4 Celsius, or probably about 22 degrees, I think. Doesn't feel that way because obviously when you're snowshoeing, you're always about 30 degrees warmer than actuality, what's really going on. Great to get up here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, I'm going to aim for that little hillside over there. Then I'm going to go, and then I'm going to turn around and head on back and hopefully show you some more sights. So should be a fun one. Okay, I notice I'm getting low on battery, so I'm gonna put an ending here. I'm sure I'll make it back safe and sound, considering where I live is about a half mile away. But this is awesome. It's awesome to get out. I'm enjoying this. I hope you enjoy the end of this video of all the beautiful sights and sounds that there is to see. I'm glad I got to summit when I did, the last one. I'm not going to call this a summit. It's just a hill on the side of the road, probably less than 100 feet or maybe 30 meters elevation gain. But it's awesome with snow. It's a lot of fun. I'm going to snowshoe to that little hill over there, just before the road, and then turn around and head on back. All right, enjoy the sights and sounds. Love you guys. Take care.